Salute to 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? 𝐿 Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with Govana. Govy on the Dutty money Riddim in a song called Needle Island. Not Needle Line, Needle Island. So, jump in and here with the Govy, aka Govana. Visit. Let's go. Feeling a bit chilly. Snow is about to fall, so you don't know me. You know? Yeah. Let's go.
Good old girl, them just have a glow about them. Gucci for your coochie, your wing for sure. Prada for your mouth, for your skin Dior. Fendi for the back, as she said, bring me more. Fly her someplace you never been before. Me say, no look at girl if you're insecure. No look at girl if you're insecure. No look at girl if you're insecure. Hey, good old. I wanna know if you have a boyfriend currently. Coming with fire gunshot until my gun empty. Tired for fucking at the bench, you want go Bentley. And she know for use the pussy like currency. He buy land, he buy van.
Hold on, you tired for fucking at the bench, so she want go Bentley? How so the G money talk? And was your Indy say, I'm saying 500,000 Jamaican that a strip of money. Boom. Buckler.
Girl, them just have a glow about them.
Girl, them have a glow about them.
Gucci, your wing for sure.
Gucci for your Gucci.
Prada for your mouth, for your skin
Prada for your mouth,
Fendi
for your
the back,
skin
as she said,
Dior.
bring me more.
Yeah.
Fly her someplace you never been before. Me say,
No.
no look at girl if you're insecure. No look at girl if you're insecure.
You know here, me say no look at girl if you're insecure. Good old girl.
Good old.
Hey.
I wanna know if you have a boyfriend currently. Coming with fire gunshot until my gun empty.
Yeah.
Tired for fucking at the bench, you want go Bentley. And she know for use the pussy like currency. He buy land, he buy van, he buy house. With diamond, she have the diamond. She know for time and them say yourself fuck. Me we buy one. Hey.
It then say yourself fuck baby, me no mind, me will buy one. Yeah. Remember say she use the pussy as currency, you know.
Like currency, he buy land, he buy van, he buy house. With diamond, she have the diamond. She know for time and them say yourself fuck. Me we buy one. Hey, me see the body jump fight with the short. Someone want to juke you like a bike when he can't start.
Blood clot. Me see the body jar fight with the shots. Me see the body jar fight with the short shots. Someone want to juke you like a bike when it can't start. You know when you juke start a bike, I saw the boss want juke start that in a yard.
Me see the body jar fight with the short. Someone want to juke you like a bike when it can't start.
Yeah.
Baby, you take the night when you walk past. New name for ugly girl that a master blood.
Baby, you take it night when you walk past. New name for ugly girl that a what?
Hey, me see the body jump fight with the short. Someone want to juke you like a bike when it can't start. Baby, you take the night when you walk past. New name for ugly girl that a master blood clot. Bad bitch and a fi soft heart. Girl having the pussy pon a killer that a sharp boss.
Bad bitch and a fi soft heart. That's a true. Cause them bitch out here, them bad for true. Them bitch out here bad for true, man. Yes, sir.
Can't start. Baby, you take the night when you walk past. New name for ugly girl that a master blood clot. Bad bitch and a fi soft heart. Girl having the pussy pon a killer that a sharp boss. Me have the style fi get wetter than the land grass. Backers on the road, the fingerprint up on the car glass. Me wanna know if you have a boyfriend present. Me wanna fuck you up.
Backers on the road, your fingerprint up on the car glass. And I say outside fuck you getting a girl. You see me side like here in the juke start you like a bike. Know that.
Print up on the car glass. Me wanna know if you have a boyfriend present.
Currently.
Me wanna fuck you out, I do make you fancy. She say no, mean man can't get entry. Post for your whole gear and make them see.
Post for your whole gear, girl. Post for your whole gear. And left a caption, do that and beat me. You know, the girl will love left that. Do that, do this and beat me. Do that and beat you. Post for your whole gear. Challenge, new challenge. Do that and beat the next girl. Post for your whole gear. No cap. Don't cap in the caption. No, don't cap in the caption.
Me wanna know if you have a boyfriend present.
Currently.
Me wanna fuck you out, I do make you fancy. She say no, mean man can't get entry. Post for your whole gear and make them see. He buy van, he buy land, he buy house. With diamond, she have the diamond. She know for time and them say yourself fuck. Me we buy one.
Boss take it from her. Say, me buy this for your mama. We buy this for you. She have him a week. 7 days. Week.
She have the diamond, she know the time, and them say yourself fuck. Me we buy one. Me want rest up on your kneecap, on your cheese spot. In a belly, me a wine up, make it squeeze back.
Rest up on your kneecap, back as you get, you know. Cheat back as you know, kneecap, you know. Rub out, you know. Carpet burn for you, you know, y'all. Yes.
Me want rest up on your kneecap, on your cheese spot. In a belly, me a wine up, make it squeeze back. Find say the pussy tighter when the knee not skin it up on my shoulder, rest the heel back.
And say fine, say the pussy tighter with the knee not. Big up me not need girl them out there. But that don't mean say the banded leg girl them pussy big enough. No, big up on yourself, baby. I'm loving the same way.
Buy one. You want rest up on your kneecap, on your cheese spot. In a belly, me a wine up, make it squeeze back. Find say the pussy tighter when the knee not skin it up on my shoulder.
So the boss not take no pay for the gas. How many blood? I feel business. I don't work your work. Eh? I don't work your work out there. So the girl come pull up and buy your gas. Wanna give her good money. You give her it back. I feel get so you thief gas for girl now. Because I know you're not gonna feel your pocket in a go for you. Take out the money buy gas in now. What got there, sir?
Me buy one. You want rest up on your kneecap, on your cheese spot.
Yeah.
Belly me a wine up, make it squeeze back.
Yeah.
So the pussy tighter when the knee
making money. All right, where you gonna know?
Shoulder, rest the heel back.
You gonna pay for it?
That with him weak back from your job.
Me not see you pay for your gas, government. Me not see you pay for your gas.
I want to see him back. Your level like down a rima. The schema, talk about your motor beamer. Believe that. Yeah. Sit down on the tip top on me stiff cock, girl. You know you're no riff raff, you no chit chat with a bitch pan TikTok with the big back. Have you ever
with the bitch pan TikTok with the big back? I want the pregnant TV. I want the black and white TV. I want to knock it on the side. There's a roach and jump on TV. I want you.
Talk about your motor beamer. Believe that. Yeah. Sit down on the tip top on me stiff cock, girl. You know you're no riff raff, you no chit chat with a bitch pan TikTok with the big back. Have you ever got the backers in a flip flop?
Have you ever get the black? Have you ever get to the backers in the flip flop? Whoa.
Believe that. Yeah. Sit down on the tip top on me stiff cock, girl. You know you're no riff raff, you no chit chat with a bitch pan TikTok with the big back. Have you ever got the backers in a flip flop? Good one. Me here say you have a boyfriend, a parent.
Where you all too good? Move good wall. Move good wall. You all too good. You see you all just good, so. Me just like you, so. You all just good. Yeah. Good wall, girl. Me not move from the big wall. Me not like you. Good wall, come here. You all just good, so. Come here, good. Like you, yeah.
Stiff cock, girl, you know you're no riff raff, you no chit chat with a bitch pan TikTok with the big back. Have you ever got the backers in a flip flop? Good one. Me here say you have a boyfriend apparently. Well, a bedtime run off on him 1 entry. Got the good.
Me here say you have a boyfriend. What is it? Apparently. But I better him run off on him 1 entry. So him get him visa. And so I say, yo, him I go do whatever I go do over there, a farm work or whatever. Him a take a flight. Better him run off and I come back, you know. Better him run off and I come back. Did you take away? Good wall.
Here say you have a boyfriend apparently. Well, I bet time run off on him 1 entry. Got a golden pussy you turn with me. She said, Govy, tell me what you plan with me. You want land, you want van, you want house. We dive on, you have the diamond, you know if you time man. How where you come from? A Nigel Island. Nigel Island. Nigel Island.
That's where she come from, man.
Nigel Island. Nigel Island. Me say no look at girl if you insecure. No look at girl if you insecure. No look at girl if you insecure. Hey, good one.
That's that.
We shoot the video right now, you know. Right now, right now.
Alright, so we shoot the video right now, you know. Nigel Lion. Yeah, good one. Good one. Come here. No, not you, big wall. Keep walking, not you. No. Big wall, keep moving. Good wall, top. Big wall, keep moving. Good wall, top. Govy, big up yourself, bro. You don't know, as Govy style is just different. And I expected no less from Govy and I read him like this anyway. Him go smash it with a girl song like he always does. So Govy, big up yourself. You don't know, 4th Gen, big up on yourself. Yeah. The concept, but the video is incredible. Big up the director behind this one. Big up the video personnel, the production team, of course. Me always big on Russian. Big up yourself, my G. Nigel Island, bad Russian. big up yourself for the rhythm again, bro. Like, yeah, do it. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, do it, man. Yeah, do it. There's a couple more songs on the rhythm I need to react to as well. So I need to get moving. So I'll see you guys. If you want to see some more reaction, look on the screen now. Some more reaction today. So I'll catch you guys on the next one anyway. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.